Welcome to CSA Tutoring's How to Use WCOnline video. In this video, you'll learn how to better utilize the online scheduling system. After you have met with your advising dean and completed the tutoring request form, you will receive an email from csatutoring@columbia.edu with important information regarding CSA's tutoring services. In this email, you will see the course that you have requested, a link to log into the scheduling system, as well as important instructions and policies. Once you click on the link, you'll be brought to CSA Tutoring's WCOnline website. From there, if you have not registered for an account, you can register for an account by clicking here. Make sure to complete all required areas, and for the admin use only section, please use option C. Additionally, at the bottom, you can select whether you want email and/or text notification options. Then you would click register. After you have registered, you can log in with the appropriate schedule. As per the email in this example, you were approved for Chem 1403. You can use the Limit To drop-down bar to select only Chem 1403. You will see that Mondays are available from 8 to 10 p.m. You then can click on which time slot you want and a pop-up will open. You will notice in the pop-up that the location is listed at the top, as well as the date and time of the session. Please fill in your professor's name and be as detailed as possible in the "What would you like to work on today" section. This will give your tutor a heads up on what you want to focus on so that they can come to the session prepared. You can also include any additional information in the last box, such as a test coming up. You would then click Save Appointment, and you have now finished signing up for that session. If you needed to cancel the appointment, you should do so online at least 6 hours before the session begins. Therefore, in this example, you would need to cancel before 2 p.m. on that day. To cancel, you would log back into the system and click on your appointment and click Cancel this appointment. In an extenuating circumstance, when you need to cancel in less than 6 hours before the appointment begins, please email csatutoring@columbia.edu. That way your tutor can be notified. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to CSA Tutoring at csatutoring@columbia.edu.